Hello, my name is Asa Waiba. Today I'm going to talk about um, critical evaluation of two peer-reviewed articles. Let's go to the next slide. Here, mm, embracing the falsity through the metaverse, the case of synthetic customer experiences. It is the article 1 that I choose for it. Here, the function of SCX in the metaverse is carried out by the Golf Papes et al. 2022 with an emphasis on AR, VR, and NER machineries. Consequently, the authors stress the possibility of NER for direct brain-to-brain communication, which offers a novel way to improve coherency. Let's go to the next slide. The key findings here, it involves the creating novel synthetic service experiences and offerings that intentionally differ in the extent to which they enlarge the genuineness. Therefore, enterprises can gain a deeper understanding of their clientele through the extensive array of data points and distinctive data formats provided by the use of metaverse. Here, Article 2, Facebook and the creation of the metaverse, radical business model innovation or incremental transformation. This is the headline for Article 2. Introduction. Facebook's 2021 makeover to Meta generated a lot of interest in the company's strategic orientation, especially in the light of its audacious plan to influence the metaverse. The purpose of this study is to determine whether Meta's move represents an incremental transformation or the radical business model innovation (BMI) with a particular emphasis on value creation, proposition, and capture. Let's go to the next slide. The key findings of Article 2 is, rather than a radical overhaul in its value creation, Meta's concentration on the metaverse implies incremental changes. As cutting-edge technologies are introduced by the metaverse, the corporation enhances its current capabilities, most notably by utilizing its expertise in virtual and augmented reality from the 2014 acquisition of Oculus. Next slide. Here, the article 1, embracing the falsity through the metaverse, the case of synthetic customer experiences, the summary of subheadings, the Golf Papes et al. 2022 article examines how the metaverse can alter the reality and the pros and cons of Mendacious. It describes how to use, minimize, and avoid the technology issues to improve the human AI association. Hence, the metaverse existence, unique interactions, and the strategic relevance of accepting and handling fiction are reflected. Next slide. This understanding sets the stage for further study of SCX in the metaverse, especially in neural reality, augmented reality, and the virtual reality. NER's ability to make different neural links is strengthened, which suggests a new way to improve the realism. Here you can see the figure. Next slide. Literature review for Article 1. The paper talks about how study into augmented reality AR, virtual reality VR, and the neural networks NER has made big steps forward in technologies that improve the user experiences. Pellegrino et al. 2023 communicate a lot about the changes and they give a lot of useful information about the topic. Here, NER's unique qualities make it possible for people to talk about digital material without using the sensory intermediaries, which is a big plus. And this shows how well an NEAR works to make the user experience better by giving a people a variety of sensory stimuli. Device can the natural reality device can make reality more realistic, which improves their cognitive skills. Next slide. The article 2, summary of subheadings. The study Facebook's move to Meta and the metaverse. It also looks at whether this is a big change in how business models are prepared. The way of Meta looking at BMI ideas is looked at in this study with a focus on how value creation grows over time while keeping a balance between new and old philosophies. So, next slide. Mm, Facebook and the creation of the metaverse, radical business model innovation or incremental transformation. This is our article 2. As soon as the Facebook changed its name to Meta in 2021, it started a conversation about the company's future and how the metaverse might produce. This is by Cross et al. 2022. The opinion of this study is to find out if Meta's rebranding is a radical business model innovation or a more gradual shape. It will do this by looking at the key aspects of value creation, proposition, and the detention. Literature review for this. As a malleable concept, BMI encompasses the significant shifts in the ways in which companies create, disperse, and derive value from their operations. Markets sees more competition and the technological advancements are common drivers of changes in the body mass index. To determine the magnitude of a change, this article outlines the phases of the business model innovation life cycle. Meta's foray into the metaverse is consistent with the principle of incremental value creation, with the astute acquisition of the Oculus in 2014, the business cemented its position as a fortuner in the AR/VR space. Section C. Article A. Suggestion for improvement. For Article A, the metaverse complex effects on reality and the customer experience are deeply examined in this article. Consider using more specific subheadings to summarize the important portions in order to improve the clarity. And suggestion for improvement for the Article B. Here, to strengthen the insights, the authors must think about the augmenting the study using the primary data. A more comprehensive viewpoint might be obtained by more investigation into how other businesses manage comparable changes. Further investigation into the effects on customer relationship and user experience within the metaverse may provide the additional depth to the analysis. Next slide. So this is references that I use for researching to write about the critical evaluation of these 2 articles. Thank you. I'm at the end of my presentation here.